Hello, it's James the Forager here, and today we have a delicious recipe for a carrot and sea coriander soup. First, we'll start by going to the marshlands at the coast to forage some of our sea coriander, also known as sea arrowgrass. I prefer the term sea coriander because it explains the exact flavour we're going to get. Don't worry about foraging this or getting it mixed up, we've got a full ID video on our website for this one. We've picked everything, we've got our sea coriander, and we're going to head back to the kitchen. So, let's grab a pan, and let's add these ingredients to get our soup going. We'll start by chucking in 1 veg stock cube, 1 peeled clove of garlic, an onion, we'll roughly chop that one, 4 small carrots, we'll dice it into little cubes, and 400 ml of boiling water. Once all the ingredients are in the pan, we'll place it onto the stove and let it cook for about 10 minutes until we start to get all of these ingredients softening nicely. The key is the carrot to be nice and soft. That's it. Once it's cooked, it's time to add our special unique ingredient, our sea coriander. We'll remove the pan from the stove first, then we'll chuck in about 30 grams of sea coriander. This first lot I put in, I usually use the thicker stores because I'm going to blend it. And it means we can use those as well. So, once we chuck those in, we'll blend it. I want to get it super, super creamy. I like my soup really thick. In fact, my wife is notorious that she loves a ridiculously thick soup. If you like yours thinner, add a little bit more water here to thin it down and keep blending. Now the soup is super smooth. We're going to add another 20 grams sea coriander, depending on what we've got left, and we'll give that a very brief whiz with a blender too, mainly just to mix it in. Once everything's mixed, that's it, it's time to serve. We'll grab a bowl, pour in the soup, season really well, and for that final fancy touch, we'll top it off with any of the leftover sea coriander we've got for a little burst of coriander freshness. There we have it, delightful carrot and sea coriander soup. Enjoy, happy foraging.